I got some lemon right here. We're gonna try these berries. 0 calories. It turns sweet into sour and sour into sweet. So this is gonna be sweet, and I got some more stuffs in here. I choose M&Ms.
Num-nums.
Some sour stuff. We got warheads. A little bit more sweet right here. There's only 10 tablets too.
I think it's gonna taste disgusting.
I don't know.
I think it's gonna taste really gross.
We'll see how this tastes with this. We'll try it first with nothing, and then we'll try it with this. What does it say?
It says flavor tripping. It says vegan, non-GMO, and sugar-free. It says duration's only 30 minutes.
Oh, okay, not bad. Okay. Got Swedish fish. Pretty bomb. Nice and sweet. Very sweet. Very nutty. So I'm not sure if that nuttiness is gonna change when sweet. Take those tabs.
I'm gonna skip this.
I don't know. What's it taste like?
This one's gonna be interesting because it's green apple, so it's like sweet and sour.
Looks like little tabs. Pretty small. There you go, Allie.
Thanks.
Yeah. Alright, here you go.
We didn't read the instructions. Is there instructions?
The effects of miracle berry are made possible through a glycoprotein called miraculin, contained in the berry pulp, which can have been compressed into a tablet form. The taste-modifying process occurs on the tongue and not through digestion. For optimum results, allow the miracle berry tablet to melt and coat the tongue. Once dissolved, begin enjoying foods and drinks as you would never experienced before. I'll try the lemon first. Alright. The pill has dissolved in my mouth, so supposedly this is supposed to turn really sweet. I don't know, we'll see. But in reality, it's sour. Yo, it actually works. That's insane, dude. That's sweet as fuck, food. Let's do the sweetest fish. So I guess this is supposed to be sour now. Nah.
Just tastes like Swedish fish.
Yeah, green apple.
Nothing? Interesting.
So fail on these two so far.
Nothing.
Nothing.
That's weird.
Right?
That's fucking weird. That tastes like candy. Not like lime candy. Like
candy.
Like literally sugar.
Okay.
Like I can smell lime and my lips like hurt because I have a cut on my lips. But it tastes sweet.
Right?
Like I'm licking this like sugar cube.
Yeah.
That's fucking weird.
Right, dude? Oh, marzipan. Here we go. That's the one I want to try. Marzipan? Okay.
We should have got like water so that we could like not contaminate flavors.
What's it taste like?
It doesn't even taste like the Sour Patch Kid.
No?
No, not at all.
What the
It
fuck?
tastes like an entirely different candy.
Fucking shout out Sticker Meal, man. They sent me a bunch of shit, dude. Sticker Meal's a company that helped me make stickers.
It says meal sauce.
Exactly, meal sauce. They sent me this meal sauce for free, man. I bought a bunch of stickers, giving away for free. Just all you gotta do is follow me, and I'll send them your way. All you gotta do is DM me, and I'll send it to you. No matter where it's at, I'll send it. I'll try this. They also gave me some coasters.
Have you ever opened that?
I've never opened it. I haven't opened it yet. I've been saving it for an important video, and today's the day, you know? Meal sauce. They give me a bunch of things, man. Here are the stickers. We got a nice thick pack right here.
Thick back.
Thick, you know?
And thicks.
Thick. If you want that sticker, let me know. Well, here it goes. Let's see. crack it open. It's fresh. Ooh.
Does it smell hot? You're
this little hole right here.
horrible.
Anatomical snuff box. Back in the Victorian era, they used to do coke right here. So put a little hot sauce right there.
You're such a freaking nerd.
And then
What does it taste like?
it's like hot, but then like it's sweet, fool. You feel me?
Okay, give me some.
Put it on your anatomical snuff box.
Oh, that's kind of gross.
But it's
Like,
sweet,
it's
right?
weird. You can taste that it's hot.
It's sweet though,
It's
right?
really fun. Like, if I didn't have the thing, I'd be like.
Yeah. It's hot
But
for me
it's
too.
sweet.
It's hot.
Still like look at. Oh my goodness! Give me this.
What?
That's how hot it is.
How hot? That is a lot of chili. Stickermeal.com.
I'm actually really curious to like how hot this is without the tablet.